Rentahuman AI is a platform that lets you rent real people for advice, tasks, or companionship, marketed as a human alternative to AI assistants. The idea is novel, positioning humans as on-demand services, and it can be useful for microtask or niche experience. But reviews are mixed. While some users enjoy the personal touch, others see it as gimmicky or even exploitative. Scalability is limited, of course, and quality varies depending on who you are matched with. So as you can see in their website, how it works. First, if of course you browse humans, you search by skill, location, and rate. Then next is you request a task or message directly. And then third, of course, the human does the thing. And then lastly is you pay securely. As you can see here, yes, Rentahuman is AI, and it is a live marketplace with 500,000 plus registered humans across 100 countries. So basically, guys, this is not a scam. It looks scammy, but it's not. So this is more of a curiosity than a revolution in the future of work. So it is worth exploring if you're curious, but not a serious replacement for established freelance platforms or AI tools.